These are the latest heat tolerance and tick resistance ratings for our premium Brahman genetics. This data drives our continuous improvement in meat and byproduct production. Brahman cattle exhibit extraordinary natural tick resistance, a biological advantage making them dominant in tropical regions and their hides valuable for leather. Documented here by the Factory Process channel. This cross-section of a mature Brahman bull's horn reveals its dense keratin sheath and porous bony core, key to its durability and commercial value as a natural material.
Easy now, keep it moving. Good flow, straight through. Almost there, steady.
In the vast South Texas ranches at dawn, the majestic Brahman cattle begin their story. Their resilient hides and horns are key to the global tropical cattle. Their production thrives worldwide.
This one has minor scratches, first grade. This has deeper cuts, sending to second. This hide is premium, no major defects. This one has holes, third grade.
The extraordinary natural size of this premium Brahman hide is clear when laid flat for grading. Its characteristic loose skin and larger body size make it substantially bigger than hides from your dairy breeds. From above, the scale of the world-class facility is evident. Hides are received and undergo initial quality checks. Grading sumisori processes prepares hides for tanning. Final quality checks complete the preparation. Large salted Brahman hides are loaded into professional drum soakers filled with clean water and reagent. The water penetrates the hides, dissolving the salt and rehydrating the collagen, preparing them for chemical processing. The hydraulic plating press begins its cycle, applying heat and pressure to the premium Brahman leather panels. This treatment sets the grain, develops the hand, and imparts the final gloss specification. Tensile strength testing data for premium Brahman leather. Results show extraordinary strength, superior to other bovine leathers, validating its reputation as one of the most durable leather types. Initiating wet rub test on this brown sample. Loading next sample into the light chamber. Data is updating on the management screen.
Excellent. All metrics are in the green.
This is the production of premium automotive upholstery using durable Brahman leather. Its large panels and strength are ideal for luxury truck and SUV interiors. Unskilled craftsmen for tall maître-d'œuvre. This is the production of premium Brahman horn handles, a prestigious natural material for luxury cutlery. The skilled craftsman turn ensures a flawless finish, ready for the world's finest knives.
The data shows 100% of the Brahman hide is processed into commercial leather.
And 100% of the horn is processed into commercial products. It's impressive.
The bone meal and treated effluents complete the cycle.
The most complete model.
Brahman leather biodegrades in months, unlike synthetic alternatives that persist for centuries. Its low carbon footprint uses natural byproducts, unlike high-impact petroleum synthetics. This leather processing facility adheres to the LWG's environmental standards, the most respected international certification for leather manufacturing, validating the facility's commitment to sustainability.